Stop using AliExpress in 2025. There are better options available and I'll show you top 5 AliExpress alternative that help you to make more money, speed up your shipping time and make your customer happy. Watch this video till the end, don't skip ahead and you'll get perfect dropshipping supplier. Each option gets better as we go. Trust me, the key features that you'll see are game changer for your dropshipping business. The first alternative to AliExpress that I like to introduce you is Aspocket. This platform is highly recommended for its ability to connect user with carefully selected high-quality dropshipping supplier. This ensures the reliable products and helps establish trust with your customer. Additionally, Aspocket allows you to order the product sample directly from the dashboard with few clicks, making it easy to evaluate the product before adding them into your store. Primarily located in the United States and Europe, Aspocket seamlessly integrates with all major platforms including Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and more. It provides a vast section of premium and standard products across various categories. Plus, it allows you to source the product directly from AliExpress, giving you more options to stock your store. Aspocket also provides a white label products, allow you to add your own branding. However, this feature is currently limited to cosmetic and beauty products. However, Aspocket comes with its drawback. It has a limited number of suppliers, particularly in global fulfillment options. This can restrict variety of products available as the platform primarily focuses on suppliers based in US and EU. While Aspocket does offer fast shipping for certain products, it often comes with a higher shipping cost. For most products, shipping to countries like United States, Canada, Australia, UK takes up to 15 to 30 days, with cost reaching up to $26 per order. Aspocket's focus on partnering with high-quality supplier often result in high product cost, and this makes it more challenging to remain profitable. And it is the common struggle that many beginner dropshippers face, sometimes leading them to give up on the business altogether. My second alternative to AliExpress is Sourceinbox. It offers a wide range of products across various categories, giving you plenty of options to satisfy your customer. Additionally, its competitive price allows you to maximize your profit margin, which is always beneficial for business. Sourceinbox integrates smoothly with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Shoplaza, making it incredibly convenient to use. One of its best features is its user-friendly interface. So even if you're new to dropshipping, you'll have no trouble to navigating the platform and finding the right product for your store. However, Sourceinbox does have its drawback as well. One major issue is a longer shipping time, which frustrates the customer and affect your repeated purchase. Another downside is the inconsistent product quality. There are several complaints from the customer who receive a poor quality products, which can negatively impact your business reputation. While Sourceinbox offers excellent feature, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before dive in. Zendrop is my third AliExpress alternative. It offers wide range of product and provides 3 shipping options. Economy shipping, the most affordable option, deliver products with 15 to 30 days. Standard shipping, taking 7 to 15 days to US and 5 to 10 days to UK. Express shipping, available only for pro user, delivering within 5 to 10 days to US, 3 to 9 days to UK and Australia. Zendrop offers private labeling and private product listing for trending items, but these features are only available for paid members. So many of the pro features are included in the pro plan. Additionally, Zendrop can only be integrated with Shopify store, which limits its capability with other platforms. If you want to use WooCommerce or any other platform and want more features without spending extra money, stay tuned. The next option will fulfill most of your dropshipping needs without spending extra money. CJ Dropshipping is my fourth alternative to AliExpress. It provides an extensive range of products across various categories. If you can't find the product, what are you looking for? You can source a product from AliExpress through CJ Dropshipping. The best part is it can be integrated with any of your popular e-commerce platform, giving you more flexibility and options. One great feature is its mobile app, making it easy to manage your store on the go. You can track orders, update your products, and keep your business running smoothly no matter where you go. However, CJ Dropshipping also comes with its drawback. The standard shipping time is longer, typically taking 25 to 30 days for delivery. Although it's affordable, while some products can be delivered within 5 to 10 days, this is not consistent. which makes it challenging for dropshipper to confidentially choose the product with a reliable shipping time. CG Dropshipping also offers premium features like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but these come at additional cost. While platform offers many features, its interface can be a bit confusing for beginners, making it harder to navigate at first. Now it's time to reveal my final and best AliExpress alternative, Fulfillment.com. They offer top-level dropshipping service that cover everything you need to run a successful, profitable dropshipping business. Whether it's about shipping time, product quality, and customer support, they go above and beyond. If you can't find a product in their product catalog, you can simply share the product URL or image of the product to the product sourcing team of Fulfillment.com. They will source the product for you so that you can sell it right away. Let's take a look at what Fulfillment.com has to offer. Shipping time is crucial for dropshipping business, and with AliExpress, free shipping can take 25 to 30 days. Choosing a faster shipping method can sometimes cost more than a product itself. Tell me who would want to buy a product when shipping cost is more than a product price. In contrast, if you go to Fulfillment.com, Services and Private Line, here you can see Fulfillment.com delivers the product in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. They also offer easy and convenient return and refund policy. If your customer receive a damaged product, they will refund you. If they got a wrong product, Fulfillment will resend it for free. This trustworthy dropshipping return and refund policy is not available on any other dropshipping supplier. Fulfillment also offers a product photography service to help to improve your conversion and showcase your product more effectively. Additionally, it integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more, making it convenient to manage your store across various e-commerce sites. Plus, once you join Fulfillment.com, you can easily communicate and get immediate response via Skype. Another great reason to choose Fulfillment.com is product quality. Fulfillment has their own warehouse in China where they keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have a hot selling product that sells very fast, you can keep your inventory in their warehouse for free. When you receive a new order, they will ship the product with their own private line, offering custom packaging options like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and more. To get started with Fulfillment.com, there is a link in the video description and it will take you to Fulfillment.com website where just click on the Get a Free Code button and run your profitable dropshipping business. So that's the end of this video. Hope you found it helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more dropshipping videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.